4 high-powered rifles, 11 sticks of explosives, and several rounds of ammunition seized in Tivoli Gardens.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
4 high-powered weapons, several sticks of explosives, and ammunition were seized by members of the security forces operating in the Western Kingston section of the corporate area state of public emergency on Thursday, November 1. 3 persons have been arrested in connection with the find. Reports are that about 3:05 p.m. a joint police military team went to an area known as Bumps in Tivoli Gardens. During the operation, a premises was searched, and the weapons, 2 AR-15 assault rifles, 1 AK-47 rifle, and 1 Winchester rifle were found. 54 5.56 rounds, 4.38 rounds, and 11 sticks of explosives, along with several gun parts and 6 empty magazines were seized. The identities of the 3 persons who were arrested in connection with the seizures are being withheld pending further investigations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.